my name is Wahdat and I am proudly associated with Air Education Consultants in the capacity of IELTS teacher. Air Education Consultants has been providing quality services since 2002. Just like all great things, Air Education Consultants also started off with a dream and a vision. Our vision to connect students with their dream institution overseas without digging too deep into their or their parents' pockets. We are operating from London and Lahore. हमारा जो लाहौर का ऑफिस है वो 28B वादत रोड बैंक स्टॉप मुस्लिम टाउन लाहौर में लोकेटेड है. You can visit us anytime for quality services. We're providing IELTS, be that UKVI, academic or general module and spoken English courses in here. IELTS क्या है और इसकी आपकी ज़िंदगी में क्या फ़ायदे हो सकती है? How can it benefit you? ये हम आपको डिटेल में नेक्स्ट वीडियो में बताएंगे. So please subscribe to our channel for more exciting news and updates. अस्सलाम वालेकुम.